I'm going to draw a door which is open. You can see. Okay. Straight lines here. Okay. All right. This is open. The door knobs you can see. Okay. And the stairs. All right. So these are the stairs. All right. Just connecting the stairs here. Vertical lines you can see. This is clearly visible. Okay. So this is the door which is open. Now if we put the shades like me, you can see the things is getting more interesting. Okay, around the doors you can put some shades like this. Okay, all right, let's make the frame darker in terms of the outsides. You can see the darker borders. All right, and this part, let's make it darker with a finished stroke. Okay, so putting the shades. All right. Okay, so for the rise of the staircase, we're just putting some shades here. You can see the variations. All right, and the shade is falling inside the staircase room, and this is a uniform shade. Let's put a solid outlines here. All right. Okay. And also you can see the shades on the other sides. All right, looks like the door is open and you can see the presentations. The total drawings is done in front of you. So I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.